What is happening, guys? I've finally got it. So, if you don't know the brand by now, you've probably been hiding under a hole, but this is Holo Taco by Simply Nailogical from YouTube. Cristine the Science Queen came up with her own Holo Taco. So happy. I had to wait for the restock for all of this. Um, and this managed to arrive for Christmas, thankfully. Uh, One thing to note was that these were all bought separate. So they were all bought as singles. This wasn't bought as a set, but it came in the lovely little box with the protective stuff, and the top of the box has tacos on it. I got gifted this for Christmas. They tried to buy as much as possible. As you understand, the restock sort of lasted all of about 3 minutes, and managed to grab a good few items here. So the first one in this box is the Holo Taco top coat. So this is this is a glossy taco. And we have the Holo branding. It's so cool. And I love nail polishes that put a stamp on the top. You can now tell that's Holo Taco. Excited much. So it's a glossy taco, that one. Does it have it written on the bottle? Yeah. We stick it at the bottom of the bottle. Next up is the Holo Taco base coat. And this is the long lasting base. So there we go again with the holo and the stamp at the top. Long lasting base. And the one that we've all been excited for, I can't wait to try, is the Bailey base. Yay! Can't wait to try that. Bailey base and again with the top. Well happy. Moving on to the next box is the Holo Taco and the linear Holo Taco. Oh, she's gorgeous! Right, I know that you can't really see it there, but I will get a better light on it. The big square chunky bottles, I really like that. This one's Holo Taco and a scattered Holo Taco. I like that one. Scattered Holo Taco and again with the top. I think I like that one better. Shh! I like to say that. Now we've got the Holo Taco in the shade Royal Tea Blue. Wow, that is some blue, like. She needs a bit of a mix. Whoa. Yeah, she needs a good mix. Wow. That's better. Blue. She blue. That's Holo Taco and the Royal Tea Blue. Last but not least, we have the Holo Taco and the shade One Coat Black. Oh, it looks like such a deep black, you know. Usually you would see a bit of milkiness or something in there, but that is just solid. So we got Holo Taco, One Coat Black, and the game with the topper. Let's get you zoomed in and straight to nails. Starting today, we're going to use a Holo Taco Peely base. So it's been about 4.5 minutes. I usually leave it about 4. But I don't know if you can see the very tip of that still a bit wet. So Maybe I just needed to put it on a bit thinner because that nail seems to be pretty much dry now. So this is Holo Taco 1 Coat Black. Quite a thin brush. Okay, I made a mess. I need help. What is happening? Is that 1 coat? No. What a mess. What an absolute mess. Right. Thoughts. First impressions. The brush is really, really small. And the product's maybe a bit more runny than I expected, hence why what's happening round here. It is 1 coat black, but I don't know if you can see it quite clearly. Yeah, you can just see sort of the ripple in the light here. I don't know if maybe I should have left the base coat to dry a bit longer. So after a quick clean up, I know it is a 1 coat, but I'm going to put 2. Slightly better. Slightly being a keyword there. Next up, we've got the Holo Taco Royalty Blue. I think with the brush and the way that I mean, this formula is maybe a bit more sticky than the black. Okay. She's finally on. I can't seem to get down here. Yeah, I've just had to look at on my cuticle. Oh god, look at that. That looks like, oh wow. It's not very flattening cut. Just looks chunky at that side. What is happening on this corner, mate? Excuse you, where did that build up come from? So that's first practice, I guess. Both nail polishes needing a bit of clean up. The blue a bit more than the black. I definitely think that that's a bit more. The black's a bit more runny, but with that it's a bit more easier to move. This ended up getting really, really thick really fast, and I don't know what's happening in this bulb. I have no idea. I'm gonna leave it, right? Wow, right. First impressions. It is a 1 coat black, you can't deny that, but the actual formula was a bit more runnier. I mean, look at the sort of state that I've left myself in here. The blue, it's still a lot more thick compared to the black. And as I've noticed, the way that it sort of dries, it's not very flattening. So if you've got like, say here, like it's as if you can see where the next bit of polishes came on top, you see? I don't know what's happened here. I don't know if that's been the base coat or the blue or the... I don't know. I really don't know.